I just like, I really, really enjoy setups that are just, instead of like debouncing this here, it's like, because then you require both the mobile app and the web app to implement the search function that way. And if I ever want to change something like the rate in which it debounces the
Very simple. Okay, next. Next question. What's this?
I had a cake, but my friend debate it. What can I do about it? I'm very sad now.
Oh, Jap. Your cake? You say your cake still Jap? Like? Yeah?
I'm sorry, Gene. All right. So turn off the. Hey, turn off the engine. Oh shit! The speed you get from doing that wheelie is insane. Holy shit! I went up to 90 doing that.
What the hell?
Russell.
I mean, hey, I don't have anything to lose or gain. I don't care.
Exactly. Okay, you better win this for me, because I have something to lose.
Eric refunded his sponsored.
Shut up, Michaela! What are you doing?
No, he didn't.
You refunded your sponsored game?
Dude, are you stupid?
Are you guys? I'm never gonna get sponsored again.
Wow,
man.
you must.
I feel great. Couple things off the rip. I don't know a lot about the organization. I mean, I don't know a lot. I don't know a bunch of shit. I just know.
This was the only scary thing in the entire game, and that was the very first one.
Ha!
Oh, yeah. I didn't even see what Sweden.
Train, I see those gains, sniffing cocaine, about to go to Spain, meet up before Sen, that shit's forcing dead. You like my viewer count, man, that shit's dead. I'm playing Zed down mid lane, okay, smoking Mary Jane, about to meet up with my boy, Bruce Wayne. Okay, I don't feel the pain on this fucking track, this shit is fucking whack, pass it on to the bro.
Yeah. Yo.
Pass it to me, I'm about to fuck your hoe.
Yeah.
But you better know that I never know. I never know what I got to do.
Yeah.
I never know who I'm about to fucking screw.
Yeah.
I pull out my tech 11. Bitch, you better run, cause you 11.
Yo.
You kid, you looking like a bitch. Train trying to rap, but he can't, he a snitch.
Hey.
He talking to the cops every day while he's telling his Twitch chat he hates them every day.
Alright, there you go.
I got something tiny in my face. What was that?
What the fuck? What the fuck did you say?
What?
Oh.
What?
Hello. My name is Diglett.
Wait, what?
My name. Oh, see you later.
Let's go!
It depends what type of crying you're talking about.
Oh, Manuel, I know what you mean. You're talking about how good you dick them down. They're crying because they're fucking in love. I get that. We're not talking about that, okay, Manuel?
Damn.
Holy shit, Sammy, listen. I should have
He's like, what the fuck?
I should have briefed Sammy a little better. I apologize for not briefing you. It's a Scuff podcast.
Briefing me a little bit better. You didn't brief me, period.
Wow.
Train, you gotta tell people what they're coming into on these podcasts. Because some of the people come in here genuinely, I think, thinking that we're gonna talk about like fucking video games and then like movies or some shit. for
Well,
3
to
hours.
be
And then you're in
fair,
here talking about, like, names
I got reached. Listen, I didn't listen. To be fair, I got messaged by like her mods that she wanted to be on, so I just connected and I said, hey, come on. So to be fair, it wasn't something where I went after him like, hey, come on, and I tricked her into it. I figured since she wanted to be on, she's watched it before, she understands what we do. Today's content has been significantly more conservative than most. Most we're talking about how deep Manuel goes in with his fucking 10.5-inch dick and how many.
What do you mean I can't go in? I work here.
Oh.
I work. Yeah, this guy. I got hired last week. What's up? What?
What is that?
Coca-Cola. You want a swig?
Let me talk with my assistant.
Wait. Wait. Can you clock me in? I'm like 15 minutes late. No?
Brenda,
Am I fired? Am I gonna get fired?
can you come to the front?
We're leaving. No. That lasted about 14 seconds. Oh, fuck.
Бас колбасит соло, колбасер по пояс голый. Бочка бас колбасит соло. Бочка бас колбасит соло. Бочка бас колбасит соло, колбасер по пояс голый. Бочка бас колбасит соло, бочка бас колбасит соло, бочка бас колбасит соло, колбасер по пояс голый. Бочка бас колбасит соло, бочка бас колбасит соло, бочка бас колбасит соло, колбасер по пояс голый. Бочка бас, бочка бас, бочка